Hi everyone, welcome back. This is just come to share a flip through of my new journal. It's quite. I had a journal before called Faded Elegance, and I think this one is a bit like that. So a bit of a faded glory, I think. So hardcover as usual. Where are we? 8 3/4 on the length and 6 across here to the spine. 1.5 inch curved spine, as you can see there. On the front I've got, I've done embossing onto the fabric, 2 ferns, and if you can see if I can get the light to catch it, there we go. I've got some green gilder's wax, which is what I've applied to the top, but because of the colour of the cover, it's actually, yeah, it looks, I'm really pleased with that actually. Yeah, that's, there we go, now you can see it. I've done like a case around the outside in Maya Gold, the paint. We've got a Tim Holtz hitch fastener on there. On the spine there are a couple of lines that I've put on with Gilda's Maya Gold, the paint, and plain on the back. Well, and it's sari silk as a fastener. There are about, if I put it there you can see, I did have it written down and I can't find it. It's about 160 pages altogether. And I've used the Rustic Charm Kit as the main pages. So, inside cover, and we've got a tag. I've actually backed these onto a bit of black board. I just thought the colours lent itself, and a bit of stitching on the tag. We have a little note card. And this is, I think this is the spring collage kit. I know, I should know, it's one of mine and I've completely forgotten. As usual, I don't tea dye my papers, but I have taken to doing the printing of the, just printing the distress out on those. Oops. Some pages I've made up. And we have a cat. Hello, cat. Goodbye, cat. So on the back of that, I've just printed out some ledger paper. A tag. I don't tend to glue my pockets in, or tuck spots in, so I clip these on, and then this is for sale, so people can glue them in as they wish. Some book pages. Some poems on the back. This is the Victorian Ladies Flower album. I love this book. And it goes well in here. A Foot in England. This is a book I've got from the 30s. It took my fancy. In Praise of the Cow. I thought, yeah, I like that. That'll do. And the centre. So I've double printed this. So I printed it with the distressed paper, and then I've gone over with the centre watermark or ghost page, and the back of the pages. One of these are actually illustrations from the late 19th century. Those are. Little tuck spot. That did have a pearl in the middle of it, but I took it out because it was squashing everything. It wasn't good. So loads of places for journaling in this. And signature 2, the book page, tag. I've just taken to doing stitching on tags. A book of modern plays, The Price of Coal. I still complain about that now, actually. Another painting. Some music paper. Oh, one of the toadstool prints. Toadstool, mushroom, not sure. I thought these were appropriate European ferns. And the centre. Another, well, I'll call it a tag. It can be used as glued in for a tuck spot or a pocket or whatever you wish. Oops. And the back of the papers. Those rams always look magnificent when they've got their horns like that. And signature 3. Sorry, I should have said the 6 signatures. That's a tag I've made up. I had to play with some tags. What have we got here? So, greaseproof bag. There's a tag inside of it. And then I've got music paper, that's some washi tape. I've done some decoupage on the top. I think that's a bit of Edith Holden page. Just a collage that, yeah. I've been having a play while I've been laid up. I'm quite enjoying the mixed media thing. Or I'm rediscovering mixed media. I think that's a good way of saying it. German dictionary, German to English. I didn't realise that. Botch. Oh dear. Love it. And some more pages, book pages. That's the centre. Got a bird outside. It's believe it or not, that noise is a sparrow. A solitary sparrow sits on the roof and sings his heart out, bless him. Ah, that's appropriate for where I am, Somerset. Cider. And another collage page, so I've got music paper. And then this, people have been asking me about this sort of, it looks like stamping or embossing. It's actually clear texture paste or transparent texture paste that I've coloured and then applied to a stencil. Bit of gesso on there and one of those Tim Holtz words. I put it on a dimensional thing, foam tab, just to make it stand out a bit. And there's a tag in there. And where are we? This is number 4. Yet another sewn tag. Some more of the... that's actually an English one. An English dictionary page. Oh, that's appropriate. So we have journalist at the top and justify at the bottom. Judging by our media at the moment, probably not. Edith Holden pages. My favourite artist, Gordon Pennyfield. I should say that to begin with, and I forgot. Another tag. This is it's actually a card that I've printed on. Some more mushrooms. I don't know, are they toadstools if they're red and mushrooms if they're brown? Red normally means stay away, doesn't it? Little mate. Well, actually, that's a shrew, I think, that one. Just on a foam tag, so give it a bit of dimension. the back of the card. So we have an owl printed on the back, and then lavender. Just a bit of a flip out. And the back of the papers. And that signature 5. So we have another one of my tags. Some more fungi. If I just call them fungi, then I'm not going to get it wrong, am I? Some more book pages. Music papers. There's a tag. Another one of my collages. So another greaseproof bag with a tag inside. And what have we got on here? Oh, a bit of this looks like Tim Holtz paper at the back, and that's one of those little. I've got Tim Holtz pads from forever, and I never know what to do with these little square things in it. So I thought, right, okay, let's chop them up. Let's have a play. So they've ended up on these collages. And a bit of Edith Holden and some decoupage on the front. So not forgetting the washi tape. In the centre, and the last of the collages, so quite a big tag in the back, music paper, and then some more transparent texture paste. Another one of the words. And some more. Well, the back of the book pages, shall I say. These are so delicate, these illustrations. And the last signature. I know, don't groan, yet another sewn tag. Oh, yet more fungi. This time I put some onto some ledger paper. Pages having a play around with. It's a big envelope, that is empty, that envelope is. A bit more of the English dictionary. Oops. And some more book pages. Colours in this are bouncing around, I've just sort of noticed that. Centre. Very deep pockets. You know, I always leave these bits of cotton on. All these sort of bits here. Never know whether people actually like it or not, but I suppose if I leave them on, you have the option of chopping them up. Stonehenge. Oh, blimey, we've got the summer solstice coming up, and Stonehenge isn't far from here. That's it. Stonehenge and Glastonbury Festival in the next few days. And the back of the papers. That is such a sweet little mouse. Whilst I appreciate they're not sweet when they come in the house. And the back page. So there we are. Faded Glory, I think, is probably a good name for this. It's probably about as grungy as I think I've ever been. But I'm quite enjoying this, so I hope you're enjoying looking through them. It is for sale, so I will list it on my website, not on Etsy, on the website. So I'll list that later. So you take care now. I'll speak to you later. Bye.